Hey, I just wanted to do a quick video on the Hawks Motorsports LSX motor mounts. Just cover some issues I ran into. The websites get some pretty good instructions, but I found them a little bit vague on, full details on how things work here. What they refer to on the website is these motor mount bolt holes. That's for the OEM engine. We're running a 6-liter in this case. The OEM, I believe, is like a 305 or 350 depending on the year. So what I ran into is that on the website it says to use the 2 rear OEM bolt holes to locate your new LSX motor mount. And then from there you can drill your hole back here. There's another one down right there. Now, the only other issue I ran into is that I'm running a poly mount and a clamshell style LS3 motor mount. Now, the issue I had is these have a flat side on this side, and then they have kind of like a wedge shape on the other side. It would make sense that that's the up way, but I had to flip them around in this case. If you look close, if you don't have this orientated right, this will actually collide with the K-member because it's just slightly different on the centering between this bolt and this bolt. So when that is the other way around, so 180 degrees, sorry, it actually brings this plate up a little bit. And that's why you see this line here. That's where it was sitting and colliding with the K-member on both sides before I could actually get down to the bolt holes that you're supposed to use. So I just figured I'd make a quick video, hopefully clear some things up for somebody else, and best of luck.